joyful spirit. I'm so excited. My beautiful mama, Rosabelle, made some neck bone stew and beef stew, and you gotta see it. My mother's 85 years young, and she's the best cook. 86! My mother just correct me. So let me show you. Come close up. Close up. Look at all this she made, and then she made a crust. Look at my mama. She cooked like this almost every day. I'm so grateful, and I can't wait to get some of this food. Let's walk over to my mom over here. My mama just said hi, mommy. She's eating. Okay, I don't want to put my mom on the spot, but she's beautiful no matter what she wears. She's gorgeous. But I want to say, if you have a mother today, be thankful that you have a mother. If you don't have a mother living, be thankful for the mother that you have is living and a mother that can cook delicious food. This is why I give my tip out. And listen, in all thy ways acknowledge and be direct my path. God knows I love me some neck bone stew, some beef stew, and my mother made my favorite food today. So that is it. I want to thank you all for listening. I got to eat now. Love you all. Take care. And don't forget, God is good. My mommy's telling me to eat. So see you later. Thank you for listening.